Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's hot topic. Today I want to talk to you about biohacking. If you don't know what biohacking is, it's a way to change your body and your health and your brain so that you can reach the goals and achieve a peak state of mind and improve the functioning of your body and your entire wellness. You can do this through supplements, technology, you can do changes to incorporate an abundance mindset, but basically biohacking is just meant to make lasting and positive changes to your health. So today I'm going to briefly talk to you about 6 different things that you can do to biohack your health. First thing you can do is more of a general health biohack, and it's basically through red light therapy. Again, I've talked about this before, but research has shown that our body and brains need light to function at their best, but through the infrared light, your body actually uses and responds a lot better than just that regular sunlight. So those red light is gonna go specifically after your mitochondria, which is your powerhouse of your cells. So they're gonna boost everything and just tell the body to work more efficiently. So this infrared, again, targets those mitochondria, and thus your body can activate more of that nervous system or the metabolic process inside of you. So it's naturally gonna help you relieve pain. It's gonna reduce the inflammation in the body and just help restore the function to damaged cells in your entire body. So red light has been shown really, really good to just be a good overall health and wellness. Again, I've done another video on it. If you want more information, you can just listen to that one. The second thing that you can do for biohacking your health is biohacking for your bones. Now, a decrease in bone health normally happens as we age, and most of the time before we're age of 30, we don't really think about it. But after the age of 30, things start to shift. So more specifically, both men and women do lose about 2% of their bone density as they're getting older if they don't do anything about it. But women in particular, because of all the different hormones through the menstrual cycle, and as they start to go through menopause, can actually lose it a lot faster. And that's why women are more susceptible to osteoporosis. Again, the big thing with biohacking for your bones is just exercise. A specifically high impact activity is key for bone health. So there's been a lot of research. If you look up OsteoStrong, it's a program specifically designed for biohacking bones. Google it. There's a ton of information out there, but basically it uses robotic machines and puts it in a circuit, which is more beneficial to give you that high impact, but decreases on some of those risks. The third thing you can do is biohacking your diet through intermittent fasting. So again, I've talked about this before, but it's not what you eat, it's actually when you eat. That makes a huge difference in your body. And a lot of experts have done a lot of research on intermittent fasting to figure out how it optimizes your body's nutrition intake. So intermittent fasting not only helps you lose fat, but it also helps you gain muscle and energy, which is what our bodies really need. So when your body's in this fed state, so you are digesting and absorbing food. So generally speaking, it's about 3 to 5 hours throughout your day. So during this phase, your insulin levels are super high and your body is focused only on digestion. So it's like, feed me, I'm working, I'm functioning. Now, when your body's allowed to rest, so this is more during the fasted state, that's when you start to experience all these health benefits. So you increase your levels of growth hormones as much as 5 times the normal rate, which boosts up your metabolic rate. Now, if you boost up your metabolic rate, that's when you start to lower your blood sugar. It starts to tap into your stored body fats, and that's what's allowing you to burn fat in your system. So it's a great way to lose a lot of weight. Now, fasting also provides a number of other significant benefits, like it makes you think clearer. It's also been shown to be a cancer prevention. You can increase your autophagy, which is basically the waste removal of your cells, and it can lower the levels of your inflammation inside your body. So you just feel and you function better. So again, intermittent fasting, I've done lots of videos on it. Just check those out if you want more information. The fourth thing you can do is biohacking for your brain, and this is through functional music. So music is super awesome. A lot of research has been done on the effects that it has on the brain. So it can music in particular can affect the brain waves with the activity that you're performing, depending on what you're hearing and how much you can rest and things like that. So one of the most reliable ways to change your brainwave is through consistent sound wave. So audio entertainment, it's a form of music biohacking, uses a binaural beats and tones to synchronize with the brain waves and include which induce a meditative and relaxed state. So you can flick this on at night as long as it doesn't have a screen that your body can just get used to it, and you can listen to it and just change your brain wavelengths. The fifth thing you can do for biohacking is your mindset. So gratitude. This is one of my favorite ones, and it has a huge effect on your mood. So whether it's your mood, you can affect other people, but it's really just the general levels of fulfillment that you're sharing with other people. Now, when you have an abundance mindset, you're constantly grateful for everything that comes your way, and you're always focused on the positive. So changing your mindset is really nothing more about practice. So you always have to constantly refocus your brain to see the positive in just about every situation. So this is one of the hardest things, but it's also one of the easiest things that you can do for biohacking your mental state is the gratitude. And then the last thing, biohacking for function, is through supplements. So exercise, eating right, and developing the right mindset are super important. However, we do have vitamins and minerals that we need in our body that are essential, or not essential, but we still need them to function, and we have to get those from other ways. So you can get them from really good supplements. You can get them through protein shakes or bars, drinks, like those type of things. But really it's going to give you fill in that nutritional gap that we get when we don't get it from our diet and exercise, which really can help boost our performance, detoxify our systems, and achieve daily energy through taking different supplements. So hopefully you can take these 6 different ways that I briefly discussed about biohacking to change your life, to boost your immune system, to just change the way that you are and get that higher optimal functioning. So that's all I have for you guys this week. I will see you guys next time.